Okay, this is going to be a super short lesson because I'm going to stick to my guns on this one. I know I'm on the back here. Let me get to the front. This is such a review. And I really want you to try to do this one on your own because for my kids, not so much Judson because I know he does separate tests, but for my kids, I'm going to use this just like if I was giving you a test. And let's see, will I say anything about anything? You're probably saying, yes, do this with me, do that with me. Um, let me just say with B, I'm not going to solve it, but let me just say with B, remember that you do parentheses first, okay? At that point, once the parentheses are done, then do exponents. I'll just put EX, okay? And then after that, I'll do this, I'll just write this. Then at that point, we do multiplication and division in the order we find them in the story. And then after that, you can do the addition and the subtraction in the order they are in the problem, not story problem. Okay? So that's all I'm going to say on those. I'm tempted to help you with B, but I'm going to see how you do on your own. I don't know why that little box is there. I don't think that's in our book. I don't know where that came from. Anyway, we're just going to pretend it's just not there. I wonder if I don't want to hit erase because I want to give you the chance to write that down. And then the formulas for perimeter and circumference should be pretty easy for you right now. Down here in this review section on filling in the blanks, just remember, you know how we do larger to smaller and smaller to larger. You start with the one you have. So, like in number 1, I'll just remember 8 quarts equals 1 peck, and then 4 pecks equals 1 bushel, right? All right, so we have 5.5 pecks, so we're going pecks to bushels, even though in this problem, unlike what we did yesterday, they're writing it second and putting the blank first, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't change anything. You're still saying pecks to bushels. So you are saying smaller to larger. Therefore, you need to think division problem. And to make it easy, you can just put a line there for now. And then you can say, well, how many here I go again. No, it's pecks to quarts, isn't it? I read it wrong. It's pecks to quarts. So it is larger to smaller. So we're going to multiply. So this is going to be a multiplication problem. And that makes it even easier, doesn't it? 5.5 times how many quarts are in a peck? There's 8. So that will be times 8. All right? If you can't remember this, I think you can look up in the back of your book, and that will give you the measurement for that one. To be honest with you, I don't have that one memorized, so you'll have to look in the back for that. All right. See if I can actually flip to the right lesson here. All right, so on the back, you have some story problems. I'm going to leave you on your own. Labeling the different types of grass. We haven't talked about that for a while. You can always look back in your thing. I don't have a problem with that. Just remember for K, when you set K up, that this is 40. The is an equals. They want to know what percent. That's what you don't know. The of is times and then 200. And then don't forget, if you're missing part of your multiplication, you divide. So this is how I write it. 40, you want to make sure you go the right direction. 40 divided by 200. If you want to make your life easy, you can drop a 0 on both and make it 4 divided by 20. And that's not 5, by the way. This is going to be 0.0. And I want to stop there. I want to go further. I'm going to end up solving it. All right? All right, so definitely today I'm going to stop here. Just going to grade this one. And, you know, those of you who are in my class, if you want to do the greens for extra, that's fine. I'm always happy with that if you do that, okay? All right, I think I'm going to get right on to the next lesson, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.